Hot chemical paint stripping is a proven solution for industrial coating removal. So here are 5 key advantages that make it the preferred choice for high-performance operations. Number 1, faster stripping and higher productivity. Hot chemical paint strippers work quickly and consistently. With predictable cycle times, operations can typically process 2 to 5 batches a day, making production planning easier and more consistent. Number 2, reusable chemistry means lower cost and lower environmental impact. The same stripping bath can be reused multiple times. This reduces chemical consumption, waste generation, and lowers overall operating costs. Number 3, complete and uniform paint removal while protecting the metal. Coatings are removed evenly and without abrasion. This preserves the integrity of the substrate and maintains the original surface quality of the metal parts. Number 4, less labor with minimal mechanical action. Immersion stripping eliminates most manual scraping or blasting. This reduces labor requirements, improves safety, and minimizes operator fatigue. And number 5, scalable, controlled, and designed for industrial processes. Temperature and dwell time are precisely controlled, delivering constant results from small batches to full-scale production. Hot chemical paint strippers combine speed, efficiency, and reliability, making them a smart solution for modern industrial coating removal.